Welcome to BMWworldstickers.com. This time we have a new product to bring to the line that we produce, but it's a totally different product. This time there is no map printed in the transparent stickers that always has been our main sale. In this case, it's a different one. It's called PPF. Is used for competitive cars in order to protect the painting. And in this case, PPF stands for Paint Protection Film. It's a totally transparent with a self-healing finish. Self-healing finish. Basically, in case the product gets scratched, it will come back to shine after applying heat with a heated gun or hot water. It is guaranteed it will not get yellow or crack over time. Modern PPF films are perfectly clear and they don't show orange peel. And yes, it does protect against rocks, petrol, salt, oils, gravel, etc. As you can see here, the application is very simple. First, you do apply water onto the bike in the area that you are going to apply the sticker. But the water will be in a container, in a spray container with the ratio of 500 ml of water and a half spoon of clear baby shampoo in order to apply thickness to the water. Once you do that, then you apply water on the sticker. Basically, you apply water on the bike and you apply water on the sticker as well. And then you follow with the application. Always go to the edges to disperse the water to the actual outside of the bike, of the sticker. And there you go. It's a perfect, easy way to do it. When it comes to the GS logo, you press with the fingers in order to pull the water out, as it shows here. Very simple, very easy. Once it's done, that's it. You close towards the edges. Basically, you go from in out. If not, you will not be able to put the water from the surface of the sticker. And then with a cloth you pass it through in order to make sure that everything is done perfectly and it shows the result. Truly is amazing. The product is quite expensive to produce, but the result is really good. It's a high gloss. It's a high gloss finish. In this case, in the tank top, again, you spray first all over, then you spray on the area of the sticker that is about to be touched, the painting. You center the sticker as the finger is showing, and then you follow finger down until the end of it. You locate the sticker north to south, as if the bike was facing north. Then you finish the edges. When everything is in place, you have to move the water out. First, north to south, south to north, and then you are going to have to go west to east or left to right, as you wish. To apply it, as you can see, is very simple. Again, if you are not or you don't feel confident, the work of a professional will be always handy. But I should say the professional should not take longer than, I would say, 3/4 of an hour to set up his tools or her tools and help you to put it on your bike. Installation, as you can see, is simple. The shine that comes with it is truly amazing, as you can see in this case. Then with a cloth, you make sure there is no edges without being pressed down. The reason why there is always a glove on one hand is because the glove will not leave fingerprints in the inside of the sticker. In a white painting is difficult to see fingerprints, but in black painting motorbike is always easier. For that reason, it's always recommended to wear a glove which is the one that holds the sticker inside where it's about to touch the painting of the motorbike. But definitely this product is really a top class product and allows you to make mistakes, but obviously don't abuse. Don't abuse. But as you can see, it's really easy. Again, I repeat, water first on the bike, you stand it with the finger, as you can see here. Then you press down when the sticker is in place. But first, touch and go, touch and go. And you will then see how it goes. It's really easy, really easy. First, you locate the sticker, touch and go softly, and when you realize and you feel 100% that is the place that it should be, is then when you go for it and you press down. You always have time to press down, then don't go for it in the first second. You have the sticker located on what you believe is the place, because sometimes you need to follow the nature of the plastic, or in this case the sticker, and accommodate to the shape of the bike. There you go. Amazing, really good. So it's really is a skill, but in this case it's easy. It's really easy to apply it. There you go. Brings so much shine onto the bike, and again it does protect the bike fully. At the time of one day yourself wanting to sell the bike, you can sell it with the stickers. The next buyer will love to have and see the bike that is protected. And that is how it goes. Extend it, and off you go. In this case, you need to take these 2 screws off, and then you put the wind spoiler back in place. Press in the middle, and then you go to the edges. That is how it goes. That's it. That's it. Once the sticker is totally dry, is when then you put the wind spoiler back on. Then it comes nearly the end of it. In this case, again, don't forget to spray the water in both sides, the bike and the sticker. After you locate the sticker in the right position, once you believe is the right position, you touch the edges, and then you go. Press on the way that is easy for the water to get out of in between the painting of the bike, the actual bike, and the sticker. And this small one, I will recommend to put it after, not now, after you are gonna put the one that comes in the video, after this one. So basically, although you can see now here that we are putting it, we learn that it's easier to put it after. Because it's a small sticker, once you're gonna put the other one that comes on the video, sometimes you can touch this one, and if this one is not still totally dry, is when then it shows that it could move. Then basically I will recommend this one to leave it for last. So again, with the cloth, holding the sticker on one side, pushing the water on the other. It dries quickly, nevertheless. And then the last piece of kit. There you go. Stand the water. Again, you have to take the screws off, don't forget. You place the sticker, you set up the sticker from the middle, and then you go to the edges. From the center of the sticker, you go towards the left or towards the right, and that is the way how you place the sticker. That's it. Then after, don't forget to put the screws back. And that is when I was saying that is the moment after you have done this one that you do put the little sticker that is shown before. It will be easier for you. And that's it. This is the result of this amazing product that will bring not only protection to the painting of your bike, but as well an amazing shine, because the product, the definition of the product is of high gloss. And hope you like it. Don't forget to visit our website for as well the other design that we do produce, which is the wall map printed in a transparent sticker. We produce for different GSs, not only for the model that is on this video, and we produce it in different colors as well, not on PPF, but in a different material. So welcome to BMWworldstickers.com. Thank you very much, and above all, safe rides.